Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards for your general energy, for your career situation and your relationship, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus, for your career and love energy. I'll be picking one card each from another deck. So this is for your career situation and this is for your relationship, guys, and one card from the wisdom oracle guidance. So that will be a general guidance deck, what we can follow every day. I will leave this card here. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. So let's start with the daily energies first. So for your daily energies, it's Seven of Swords in reverse, Page of Swords and King of Pentacles in reverse, guys. I hope you can see the cards here clearly. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, it may be something to do with your career situation or your personal life situation. You are a person who is honest, truthful in whatever you do. Your actions or your words, whatever it is, it's based on honesty, and you have your own ideals and beliefs, and you are very analytical before you take up any action or before you take up any path in life. You think with clarity and you analyze whether that particular situation, what will be the future of it and what will be the consequences of your action, and you think clearly before taking the next step forward. So you rarely make any wrong decisions. That is what I see here, guys. So you think with clarity and based on your wisdom and knowledge about that particular circumstance, you decide for yourself. And maybe today you have something bothering you, some kind of weakness. It may be because of people around you, some habits, maybe something you are doing it, or something you are made to do, some kind of work related habits, some stress or some responsibilities maybe, or it may be some something like a bad habit like drinking or smoking. Something is bothering you, you want to give it up but you are unable to do it, and there are people in your work or in your personal life trying to counsel you on that, give you guidance, and you are not in a position to accept their suggestions, Taurus. You are simply rejecting whatever they are telling you. So you are not ready to accept their suggestions or their points of view on whatever they are suggesting you about. Maybe it may be something to do with your career, maybe career related decisions, or it may be some personal life related decisions. So you are not interested to listen to anyone. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Taurus, for your daily reading. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's Ace of Fire. So with this card in your career situation, it may mean that you are moving towards some kind of positive beginning in your career. Something that is challenging you, something that gives you that inspiration and confidence, and some kind of transformation is happening. And this is the time for you to dream big, because all that you dream may become reality, guys. They may manifest into reality. So this is the time for great dreaming and daring, because whatever you have planned for yourself, your achievements or whatever it is, you are reaching all that. That is what I see with this card for your career situation, Taurus. So let us see what is the card for your personal life. It's 5 of water for your relationship, guys, otherwise. So with this card, in your situation today, maybe you are in a particular place in this connection. You have had your share of problems, maybe some fights and arguments, and you know what you need to do today to give up this stress or that sadness that you have in this connection. So you want to move on. You want this person to forgive you the same way you want to forgive them and make amends and move on with life. Maybe for some of you, you may move towards reconciliation with this person, make amends, say sorry, and accept their apology, forget the past, whatever hurtful situation you both were in, and move forward. Or it may also mean that if you are hurt by something your past person did, maybe your ex, you are giving up that hurt that you felt with this person, and you are trying to move on, forget this person, make amends to them personally if possible, otherwise in your heart of hearts. So you are going towards that forgiveness and releasing that sadness that you have. And it is a time for a great change, a positive change in the way you feel and the way you are in this connection today, guys. Taurus, that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Taurus. So what is the card for your oracle guidance? Imagine. Oracle, we pick an oracle card every day, guys, because it is a general guidance, what we can follow to make things go in a better way. So with every reading I pick up an oracle card, so to have that guidance, so what we can do in our personal life and in our career situation. So with this card just means that creative thinking or dreaming, your aspirations and feelings, whatever you have. So when we are in that relationship with that person, when we daydream about that person, and when we dream about that relationship, these dreams and that strong feelings about them grows multifold when we daydream about them, and we connect with that person deeply. And these dreams, whatever we have about this person, will begin to manifest, guys, will become like a positive strong intention that we have, and it will begin to manifest. So dreams are good as long as it is positive and it takes us forward in life. So the same way in our work situation also, whatever aspirations and goals that we have for ourselves, we have to dream about it, we have visions about it, what we need to become in future, and what are the things that we need to achieve for ourselves. So when we have these strong, powerful, creative intention in ourselves, our dreams will begin to come true. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.